world that demands knowledge, character, and creativity, one institution leads the way through the strength of structure and the power of innovation. This is our mission. This is our vision. One Vincentian journey on the three dynamic paths. Yet beyond tradition, we ignite their curiosity through smart technology, creative inquiry, and the real-world application. From ABCs to algorithms, we shape minds with structure and spark potential through innovation. Of the Higher Education Department, we craft professionals prepared for tomorrow's world. And rigorous standards, we uphold academic excellence. Education doesn't stop in the classroom. Here, learners engage with research, technology, and industry, building bridges from knowledge to purpose. We educate the mind and empower the future. quiet rhythm of Gubat, a future unfolds in every classroom. Here, discipline anchors learning with clear expectations, guided instructions, and values in every lesson. But discovery is never far. With blended learning, campus-based projects, and creative tools, our junior high students explore, experiment, and excel. At Gubat Campus, structure meets inspiration. Three departments, one Vincentian mission, united in purpose, diverse in approach. From basic education to higher learning, from quiet towns to dynamic classrooms, we build lifelong learners, grounded in values, empowered by innovation, ready for the world.